Why should you reset your calculator? The answer's at the video's end. Heads up, 2 key warnings. The procedure you're about to see will reset almost all settings on your scientific calculator to factory default, and it will erase all data stored in the memories. Without further introduction, follow the instructions step by step. Let's address when you should reset your scientific calculator. The maker advises resetting right after a battery change. You'll probably also need to reset it if the calculator locks up or if you've changed advanced settings accidentally. And you, why do you want to reset your scientific calculator? I'll read and react to your answer.